Hey, here we are. Asher, what are you going to do with your new remote controlled truck?
I will play with it forever.
Forever, huh? It's pretty cool. Can you go up the ramp? Wow. Up it goes.
Now you can't.
Let me see it go, Asher. Asher, be nice.
No.
Asher, be nice to Caroline. Let's see it go. Uh-oh.
Silly truck.
Let's see it go. Wow. There you go.
Quick. I have to.
Wow.
Now, can't.
Let's see it go, buddy. Wow.
Oh! Can you get it? I'll lay down the day, Daddy.
Okay.